Today I'm going to talk about what happens if a page takes a long time to load. It can cause some issues with your script because RPT doesn't see mouse clicks, and it assumes that the groups of URLs that are fetched together are all one transaction. And if a page takes a long time to download, RPT can incorrectly assume that it's more than one mouse click and will break it into more than one transaction. And you want to play it back as one transaction. So I'm going to discuss about what you have to do to fix a recording if one mouse click gets downloaded as more than one page. And the max download time is configurable. I'll show that. It's a preference. It's an RPT test generation preference, and you can see the thing that I have highlighted says create a new page if there is more than 5 seconds between pages that are part of one transaction. So I'm going to demonstrate how that can happen, and I'm going to talk about that. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to record a new test, and I decided to go to the healthcare.gov because it's got such a bad reputation for being slow. And the very first time I tried this, it in fact did take such a long time to download one page that it was split into more than one transaction. Now since then, the web page has been fixed up and it really doesn't take that long to download. So normal best practice for recording a script is I'm going to type a comment before I hit any mouse clicks. Call it healthcare.gov homepage. My assumption is that it's going to be slowed down a little bit. It in fact isn't, but because of the way RPT gets in the middle. Alright, before I do that, I'm going to clear any cache items, the best practice in recording a script. Because the way RPT handles HTTPS requests, it basically breaks the HTTPS protocol and causes the browser to prompt you with this add exception processing. Now, so this actually caused the one mouse click to cause one page to download very slowly and get split into a number of parts. So this artifact allows me to demonstrate the fact that one mouse click can cause one page to download very slowly and get split into more than one transaction. So the page is down there. I'm going to name the page. And I'm going to end the test because I only wanted to click on one mouse click, and it's going to generate the test. And I'll open the test. And there you can see that there's 3 transactions. There's my comment before the first one, and there's 3 healthcare.govs, and this is really just, those 2 are really just redirects between HTTP and HTTPS, and here's the real page, and it's treated as 3 different mouse clicks by RPT. The first 2 just got moved permanently responses, and that's when the browser interacted with me, which caused it to slow down more than 5 seconds to download the rest of the page. So now that it's recorded as 3 separate mouse clicks, I want to join them into one. So I'm going to highlight all 3 of them, right mouse button, and take the merge pages option. And what this does is say when you want to merge them into, you can merge it. Typically you merge the last 2 into the first one and you end up with just one transaction. So there you see it. The first 2 requests are now all treated as part of the same transaction, same mouse click, which is how they really occurred in the real world. And there are times you'll have to do that, so that's why I'm demonstrating it. So that's what you do if the script is recording one mouse click as more than one transaction and you need to fix it up after the test is done.